Assalamu alaikum. We are from Premier School Dhaka. My name is Itika Usio Parvez. She is Sauda Suha Sauda. This is Rabia Binti Hassan. And she is Humaira Mahdiya. We are from class 5 girls. So today we are doing a simple chemical reaction. The experiment name is elephant toothpaste. For this experiment, we first need a volumetric flask, and we need hydrogen peroxide. Then we need 2 or 3 drops of liquid soap and 2 food colors, red and green, and a solution. Now for safety, make sure that we need to keep distance. And I will take my flask in a tray. Now I will put this funnel in my flask. Now we will take a small amount of hydrogen peroxide and pour this into the flask using the funnel. After this, we will add 2 or 3 drops of liquid soap. And then we will mix food color. We will use a dropper for this. And at last we will give this solution inside the flask. And now we will take off this funnel and let's see what happens. It's going up. Whoa, it's going up. Wow, now it's coming out of the flask. Amazing. It looks like elephant. Whoa.